Hi everyone, and welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. We're on our way to Whole Foods. It's about a 30-minute drive, so we've been in the car for a while. I think we're about 10 minutes out. And we're gonna buy some mussels, hopefully, so we can make mussels and spaghetti for dinner. And there's a really cute section in Whole Foods in the middle where there's a lot of handmade products and things like that. So I'm hoping that it's really cute for Christmas and we can find some gifts. Lunch break, sushi and pizza. We have our mussels, and they put a little ice in there, and they told us to keep the bag open if we can. We bought a whole chicken cut into 8 parts with some bacon because I think we're going to make coq au vin this weekend. And just picked up some fresh herbs. Want to make more salsa, so got these tomatoes for the salsa. And I love mushrooms, and we got some cheeses. I like how they have these little cheese samples because you can try cheeses without committing to a whole big giant piece. So maybe we'll make a little cheese plate. So Whole Foods is fun. Shopping at Whole Foods complete. Now time to go home, maybe take a little nap before we start making dinner. In preparing the mussels, we had to reject about half of them, which is really disappointing. Because when you're cleaning them, if they're open and they don't close while you're cleaning them, you have to reject them. And then after you cook them, if they don't open and they stay closed, you have to reject them. So hopefully these will open once we cook them. And there's still plenty of them, but it is kind of disappointing when you have to throw some of them away. For the spaghetti, I'm making a basic tomato sauce, which I used a can of crushed tomatoes. Looks like this. And I used a can of tomato paste, which looks like this. And I kept it really basic. I added some salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and some herbs like oregano, crushed red pepper flakes, and an Italian mix. You could also add some fresh garlic. You could fry a little onion before you do this, but I'm just keeping it really basic because it's just going to go with the mussels and basic plain spaghetti. Just warming up some shallot and some olive oil before we add the mussels in here. I'm going to add some wine, some red pepper flakes, some Italian seasoning, and some water so that they have something to steam in. They don't take very long, just a few minutes. What a beautiful baguette from Whole Foods. Adding a little pasta water. See how these are coming along? So let's find day number 5. Oh, here we go. Mint Refresh. A spring of organic peppermint, fennel, and rose. Ooh, that sounds like my ultimate tea. Can't wait to try this one. Thank you for joining me for day 5 of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed our mussel and spaghetti dinner and our little trip to Whole Foods. Now don't forget, tomorrow we're going to do Vlogmas live because I want to do a day where the theme is how to prepare for a party. So if you're entertaining this holiday, I'm going to show you how to make some quick appetizers and a cocktail recipe and also a mocktail recipe for those of you who don't drink or if you have people who are too young to drink. It'll be perfect for them. So join me tomorrow on my channel live at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll write that in the community tab so if anyone needs to know the time exactly. And so join me then. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Going live is always very energetic and a little nerve-wracking, but it's great fun. So I'll see you then. Thanks for joining me tonight. Bye!